I am obsessed with these products. In this video, we are going to be talking about Round Labs. Now, this particular K brand has been hugely popular, and I got so many comments of me trying out this brand. Now, I have their Dokudo on the go kit, which comes with a cleanser, a toner, and a lotion. And I felt like this was a perfect trial thing that would let me determine how this particular brand is. If I'm not wrong, Round Lab is officially available in purple, and this is a fairly affordable Kbeauty brand that I've came across. I would be going into detail about the products, the overall ingredients, the main key ingredients that they use, and my experience after using these products for at least 2 to 3 weeks now. Now, this particular skincare basic set comes with 3 products: gentle cleanser, a hydrating toner, and a lightweight lotion. Now, before talking about the products, let's talk about the main ingredient that Round Lab focuses on, which is Ullyeongdo's clean deep sea water. Now, Ullyeongdo is an island in South Korea, and I believe it's in the eastern side of South Korea. When I Google this, it's basically like a mysterious kind of island. It's known for their scenic views, and it's also is very popular to visit. I hope I visit that place one day. But again, coming on to the main ingredient, which is the clean deep sea water. What they have mentioned in the website is that the deep sea water maintains this low temperature of about 2 degrees Celsius 365 days a year, which ensures its extreme freshness. And this particular water is really rich in magnesium, calcium, and other minerals that are essential for our human body. Now, to verbally speak, these are really great claims, but what it exactly does for your skin. Now, I have used a lot of deep sea or especially sea minerals kind of skincare products. One thing that I have noticed about these ingredients, even if it's Ullyeongdo or any other form of reef or sea that the minerals are being extracted, these kind of mineral based skincare is supremely hydrating. Most hydrating products that I've ever used came from this sea water kind of things. This particular range focuses on hydration and also the damage exerted by the environment and the pollution, and it helps to restore your skin. Now, coming back to the product itself, talking about the cleanser first, particular cleanser is enriched with truckloads of ceramides and amino acid. I feel like it's a soap-free cleanser. It leaves your skin so hydrated. Even if you have dry, dehydrated skin, this particular cleanser would help you to hydrate your skin because of the amazing ingredient, and also the packaging kind of looks very cute and aesthetic for some reason. And I personally use this particular cleanser on both the AM and PM time, and you really need a small amount. I've been using this for about 2 weeks, and I haven't even managed to finish even the half of it. If you talk about the pricing, the whole kit cost something about 1100 rupees, which I feel is worth it, talking about the pricing to quality. And this one comes in 40 ml of packaging, which would last you about a month. Coming on to the toner, which is my favorite product from their line. It states that it has completed skin irritation test, and they have done a clinical test where it's shown to reduce the amount of dead skin cells, improving the overall skin texture, roughness, and reduction of facial sebum. And I believe to all of that claims. This one, if you have any kind of congestion, skin problem, this one is going to solve all of that. This one is by far the most hydrating exfoliating toners I have ever seen. It doesn't have any form of HAs, BHAs, or some kind of fancy acid, but it does have sea minerals, which tends to exfoliate your skin a little bit, not too much. And if you talk about some other ingredient, it has a red algae extract, which is rich in protein, vitamin, and antioxidants, great for your skin. And also it has seaweed extract, which is hydrating, and it also has natural moisturizing factors such as allantoin and so sugarcane extract. This one is such a hydrating lightweight toner. It's not a thick toner compared to all of the Kbeauty toners I like, but this one just provides the hydration. You can apply multiple layers of this toner, yet you won't feel any kind of stickiness or criminess. Sometimes if you layer too much toner, it can get a little bit sticky, but this one, the amazing lightweight texture it has, gave me this amazing beautiful glow. Lastly, the Dokudo 1025 lotion, which has completed test for skin irritation, is a really nice lightweight lotion, so lightweight that I feel like it's gonna be amazing for extremely oily skin for the summer months. I love this lotion, and I tend to use 2 types of moisturizer, multi moisturization for my face, one on the other parts of my face and one only for my T-zone. And for for the T-zone, I love this. Even for the other parts of my face, I didn't feel any kind of stretchiness or dryness when I use this. This one is such lightweight yet so hydrating and moisturizing lotion. This one is perfect for the summer months. You talk about the ingredients, jam-packed. I mean jam-packed. This has the goodness of cica, chamomile, squalane, hyaluronic acid, 3 types of hyaluronic acid to be specific, licorice extract, jojoba estes, macadamia, red seaweed, and lastly the Ulengdo seawater. This one by far is the most lightweight lotion that has such nice moisturizing properties. If you have dry skin, kind of treat it like a thick emulsifying toner. It would give you a little bit of moisturization, but obviously you need to layer another one. But for my combination dry skin, I love it. And these 3 together forms the perfect routine. Very sensitive skin friendly kind of situation is going on around here. If you have acne problems, if you have a little bit of pigmentation also, this particular set can suit you. If you talk about my favorite thing, obviously I'm gonna choose toner because toner is the favorite skincare product of mine and my boyfriend. So yeah, this particular toner is my pick from this video, and I'm gonna repurchase a full bottle of this because Kbeauty toner, especially this one, has become my recent favorite. So hey guys, this was my Round Labs review. You guys asked a lot about it, and I hope I managed to answer some of you guys' questions and queries whether to buy or not. If you have any other product recommendation that you want me to try, do mention it in the comment box below, including how did you like this video, what are the parts that you like, or what are the parts that I need to improve. To mention everything in the bottom box below so we can all learn together. And also mention if you have tried Round Labs products because I'm curious about your point of view as well. Like this video if you enjoy my content, share this video to any of your friends who like Kbeauty in general, or if they are looking for a great affordable skincare trio that they want to try, or especially if you are traveling, trust me, get this. And the overall skin irritation and sensitivity and stress that comes with traveling, this particular set is perfect because it has gentle ingredients but effective ingredients that are gonna do wonders for your skin. Lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.